every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Saying you a bad bitch, put your hands up high. Hands up high, hands up high. Tell them dim the lights down right now, put me in the booth. I'm talking about dark go.
I recognize your fragrance, hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit, and I know your taste is a little bit, high maintenance, everybody else basic, you live.
Alright y'all, so I have made it to Denver. Y'all, why my head is in my head cricket? Okay, so I have made it to Denver. I have my bags. Y'all, I almost did not get my bag checked because I was running late, but I made it. It is coldest here and it's supposed to snow. So I made it. I'm about to meet back up with my sister and her best friend, and we're about to get this party started. First travel vlog. Say hey to the vlog. In Denver. It's about to be lit.
Okay, come on.
All right, see y'all later.
We'll come back with you, okay?
Y'all, these slow down help.
Come on.
Okay.
Come on, baby. All right, now teach you down. There you go.
Okay, when it's shut. Let's see.
Oh my God. Turn it the other way. You okay? Turn it the other way. Is you okay?
Uh-huh.
Hold on.
Baby, I gotta be able to see these goddamn mouse to save my marriage.
What made your ass get a Jeep? Hold on.
And she moved the purses.
Bitch, yo.
Okay. Now, let's go.
Uh-oh.
Oh, we're gonna do it right.
Yeah.
So, we're in the car. We're in the Jeep Wrangler with y'all. Always wanted the Jeep Wrangler until I got in one. This is a compacted car, okay? Y'all, it's so cold here. And it's raining. Snowing. It's snowing, y'all. It's snowing. But yeah, we about to go to brunch and get ready for our 2-hour drive up the mountain, because we about to save our marriage. You about to save your marriage?
I'm about to save my marriage.
Is you about to save your marriage?
It ain't on the world, on the rock.
Ooh, baby!
But I'm going up this mountain
Sheila. So
to save my marriage.
We'll be back. Alright y'all, so our starters came out. I have the fried green tomatoes. So we about to see how this tastes. Give me a white. Give me one of those wet wipes. Please.
Y'all seen that video of the little girls? She was like, can I have, she was like, give me the remote. She was like, that's not how you ask.
Period.
She was like, it's made and she made a little girl repeat it. And she said, yes, made and then she said, look, when she finally got it right, she said, no. Look, girl, I remember it's a red crayon. Yeah,
Y'all, it's so good. It's making me dance. But that green sauce is very spicy.
My baby dance when you did green food.
Did I feel it?
I think I used to do that too when I was pregnant.
You know what? I'm so rude, y'all. Have some. Y'all want a little sauce?
You gotta do sakis.
Sakis?
Yeah.
Hey, y'all. Wait a minute.
Kelly, if I post that video on Snapchat,
Gotta
I'm
green
tag you,
stuff.
put your name on Snapchat.
It's better than other
I tried
egg scrambled with onions, chicken sausage, potatoes, and they got chicken and waffles. Ride the Royal George, which is a train ride in the mountains. Something like that, baby. Roy and George, King George, George of the Jungle, Curious George, goddamn something. Cause the Miss Professor back here been correcting me the whole time. But anyway, this sleepy one and Kayla sleepy too. Like, we supposed to be road tripping. Like,
I'm road tripping. Shit, we just taking a cat nap.
see, that's why I need my partner. Like,
That ain't my girl, that's my nigga. Catch me out on Ocean Drive with her. Ay, catch me in the whip, ride with her. Hey, sipping something, bumping big, hypnotized with her. Pray you get that job in Tampa. That's only 4.
all right, y'all. So we made it to the train ride 2 hours later, and they said we can't bring our camera. So, well, my camera. So I'm gonna start recording with my phone. So. Yeah, you ready? Y'all ready?
Yeah.
Train ride, train ride. All right, y'all.
Love yours. No such thing. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. No such thing, no such thing. Heart beating fast, let a nigga know that he alive. Fake niggas mad, snakes in the grass, let a nigga know that he arrived. Don't be sleeping on your lover, cause it's beauty in the struggle, nigga. It's beauty in the struggle, nigga. Yeah. It's beauty in the struggle, ugliness in the success. Hear my words and listen to my signal of distress. I grew up in the city and know sometimes we had less. Compared to some of my niggas down the block, man, we were blessed. And life can't be no fairy tale, no once upon a time. But I be goddamn if a nigga don't be trying. So tell me, mama, please, why you be drinking all the time? Cause all the pain he brought you still linger in your mind. Cause pain still lingers on mine. On the road.
All right, y'all. So we are back from the train ride. It was. What you rated? What you say?
I rated a 9.2 out of 10.
9.2 out of 10. What about you, Katie?
It was very great. Very great. It's like, I love the aesthetics.
Okay.
I give it a 9 out of 10.
9 out of 10. Okay. So I give it a 10 out of 10. The aesthetics were amazing. The view was amazing. The view was breathtaking. You know how like you see people and they be like, oh, this view is breathtaking. It literally was breathtaking. It literally, I'm like, yeah, literally was breathtaking. So yeah, it was really beautiful. I'm so happy I got to experience it, especially with my little sisters. It was such a peaceful encounter. So we're about to head back to Denver, and we got 2 hours.
Put on my own.
So we'll be back.
What I hit right here?
Y'all, it's literally a little mini blizzard going on. Like, what the crap? It is so pretty though, but we're trying to make it to our hotel. We're 8 minutes away. And
Alright, that's B, that's A, and I'm taking C.
yeah, you take the seat. It's going so bad out here, y'all. Yeah, it's snowing. So I don't know about our hike in the morning because
Oh, damn, I no flowers hit me in my eye.
it may snow, but I just wanted to update y'all.
This is C.
It's crazy because it was like actually warm when we were heading down and coming back and snowing. It's crazy, but alright. I shall be back when we get to the hotel.
Are you gonna be? Say that you're gonna be. Standing still in love with me.
Alright, so we have made it to our room. Kayla actually downstairs in the car from LA. And we are about to go to Burgers and Wings. It's supposed to be this real cool Mexican spot, excuse me. So we're about to go here. Yeah. When I say I'm tired, I am tired. But my crew, they ain't tired. They ain't trying to do that. But I didn't get a nap. They got a nap. But yeah, it's snowing. And we're going outside, excuse me. So, I'll be back once we get to Burgers and Wings. Alright, so the spot that we were going to.
Teacher, help me.
Was the wait time was 45 minutes. Can't wait. Ain't gonna wait. So we at this place called, what is it called, y'all? Yardbird. At Yardbird. Oh, Bird Call, my bad. So let me set this camera up, then I'm gonna show y'all what I got. Alright, y'all. So I got a chicken sandwich. And it has pimento cheese on it and slaw. So my door locked. Huh? Mm-hmm, yours. Alright, y'all. Should not see it, should not see.
Damn, it took you that long.
This lap. Maybe it's good, y'all. Should not see it. Alright, we got to feed our faces. Hey y'all, happy Saturday. Today is April 20th. What's good? Yeah, so my camera went dead last night and it was just a long night, so but that's okay because we back today, okay? So let me tell y'all what's on the itinerary for today. We're a lot behind. We were supposed to go hiking at 8 a.m. It is currently 8:44.
It's snowing.
And it's snowing, y'all, so we can't go hiking. We have brunch at 10 o'clock at Yardbird. MeoWolf at 1 o'clock. Okay, we skipping 5 o'clock. 8 p.m. we got dinner at Stk. And then we're going to go find somewhere to kick it at the end. So that's our itinerary for today. We about to get up and get some going because, listen, I feel so crazy because I didn't get to work out a lot this week. You rude. They don't know it, but they believe. And yeah, so let me get up and get ready, and then I'll be back.
Doesn't make sense now. Shit just got real, things are getting intense now. I hear you talking about we a lot, oh you speak French now. Giving me the sign, so I gotta take a hint now. I hit your heart like, do you wanna hang right now? On the east side, ain't know I'm with the gang right now. You say, do I wanna watch, do I know what time it is right now? Yeah. It's after 2 a.m. and that's asking a lot of you right now. All she talking about is come and see me for once. Come and see me for once. You don't ever come to me. You don't ever come to me. All she ever says, come and see me for once. Come and see me for once.
I just wanted to show you guys what I got. So we have watermelon and chicken and waffles. And then we have the hot honey sauce that we're gonna try.
confession. So I haven't like been tempted to drink like since I stopped drinking. But today, smelling this is some good champagne, okay? But I'm gonna stay strong and I'm gonna drink my water.
The definition of a fresh but never frozen.
What's your rate, sis?
10 out of 10.
10 out, oh, 10 out of 10. What's your rate, sis?
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. Would recommend. Would recommend. Okay.
Might come back again.
This is my decision. This is my decision. I don't think you listen. You listen.
Normally I don't do this, but y'all gonna keep the party going.
For me to come out.
Y'all pretty ladies need a ride. Come on in.
For me to come out, it means that I don't need you. I want to show you my world. Give me one.
So we have made it to Henry's Tavern. They got a really cool non-alcoholic. Fine, how are you? Can we have some lemon wedges on the side, please? Thank you so much.
I don't know. I guess just not knowing how the weather gonna be because we wasn't expecting snow. Like, we didn't think we was gonna see snow, and then when we got here, it said it was a chance. So,
Yeah.
nothing really that I don't.
I mean, that thing shifting. That thing switching.
Y'all, I promise you, Denver is gonna be my little quick little getaway spot because when I say this has been the most peaceful trip, like everybody's just in their own world, minding their own business. It's just so peaceful. And then especially like up in the mountains, it's just so peaceful. Perfect to get away from the noise. So y'all seen it?
Oh, you say we can write on the wall?
Yeah, you can write on the wall. Marker too? Yeah, there's a marker, there's places to color, there's all kind of cool stuff.
I'm excited.
Here. So, the idea for the love letter wall is to take one and leave one. So I hope you guys take one home with you and leave one if you guys would like to. I usually start everyone over here at our We See You mirror. So first of all, I'm the owner and I'm so glad I'm here today to greet you.
What does it say?
Say, stop giving us toxic relationship friends your valuable time. They showed you once who they are. Believe them. From KB in Detroit.
That's good. Kayla, get one.
By Channing LeMoyne. Damn, I'm not even sure where to start, at the middle, beginning, or the end.
Speak up a little
Our
bit.
queendom is right in front of us, ladies. Let's take charge. You know, you be the woman we once knew, confident, charismatic, strong, over-dominating those unwilling thoughts and feelings of insecurities. Secure your queendom.
Oh, that's good. Okay. Dear Black girl, don't let anyone tell you you're not worth the risk. Show them your magic. I like that.
snap. There's a whole lot of people in the house. I'm building my own foundation, yeah. Hold up, oh baby, baby, you won't break my soul. 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 I tell everybody, nah, nah, everybody, everybody, everybody.
Release your mind, release your job, release the time, release the strain, release the stress, release it up, forget the rest.
I'm down my hair, 'cause I lost my mind. Be's back and I'm sleeping real good at night. The planes in the front and the doms in the back. Ain't taking no flicks, but the whole click snap. There's a whole lot of people in the house. I'm building my own foundation, yeah. Hold up, oh baby, baby, you won't break my soul. 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 I tell everybody, nah, nah, everybody, everybody, everybody.
Release your mind, release your job, release the time, release the strain, release the stress, release it up, forget the rest.
I'm down my hair, 'cause I lost my mind. Be's back and I'm sleeping real good at night. The planes in the front and the doms in the back. Ain't taking no flicks, but the whole click snap. There's a whole lot of people in the house. I'm building my own foundation, yeah. Hold up, oh baby, baby, you won't break my soul. 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 I tell everybody, nah, nah, everybody, everybody, everybody.
Release your mind, release your job, release the time, release the strain, release the stress, release it up, forget the rest.
So we just left the Black Girls Museum, and when I say it was so refreshing to see that, it was so just seeing like how far we come and how much we have accomplished as Black women. Like, it was just so refreshing. So if you're in Denver, please go to the, and you're Black, or if you're not Black and you just want to understand that we're some powerful people, some intelligent, some smart women, go to the Black Girls Magic Museum. All right, we'll head to the next spot. What is it called?
Foreplay.
Foreplay Kitchen and Cocktails. So all right, y'all, so we just left, what was it called? Foreplay. Yeah, it was called Foreplay. It was like, it was a vibe. A lot of Black people were there, so it was really fun. We stayed there a few minutes just to kind of pass time by. They're in Target trying to find Ashley some tights to go with her dress for STK tonight, and they just back. So girls, pay attention to my surroundings, babe. I seen y'all coming. Okay. And babe, I thought a record had hooked to me because I felt the car moving. I said, oh, he finna tow us, but yeah, so I was gonna drop the hell up out of here. You could have drove off before he left. Baby, I can't handle no tow truck. But anyway, so we're about to go back to the hotel and get ready to get dressed for STK. Did you find your tights?
Yep.
Yay!
I had to get a big size. That's all they had.
That's okay. You can just pull them all the way up. That'll be easy.
Two, yeah.
Did you get? You should have got two, just in case you tell one.
I only had one.
Oh, okay. Well,
literally.
She got her. My friend got her tights so she can be sassy tonight. Mm-hmm. We looking sassy. We looking sassy because we some sassy ladies. All right, y'all. Well, bye. All right, y'all. We are back in the room. My moisturizer ain't good. Fresh face, about to start on a new canvas, do my makeup for dinner at STK. So I feel like we've got a lot done in these 48 hours, don't you think, Ash? Yeah, like we've been seeing a whole lot. So Look at that skin. So I'm about to bring my ponytail a little higher and redo my makeup so I can get fine or whatever. Alright, y'all. We done with STK. We finna go to Insomnia.
Insomnia.
Yeah.
Insomnia.
And then we're headed back to the room. How was STK?
It was good.
What's your rate?
9.1 out of 10.
Okay. What's your rate, Kayla?
I give it an 8 out of 10 just because I think it was good, but due to circumstances, I don't know.
So I'll give it a 9. Oh yeah, so we are in Insomnia.
Yeah. Insomnia.
And we about to get cookies. I'm getting a cookie sandwich. What you get?
Probably a cookie and a scoop of ice.
The cookie and what?
Scoop.
Okay. Do you gotta look like that?
See?
Alright, y'all, so it's 3:50. We headed to the airport. We literally slept, what, an hour?
30 minutes.
We literally slept 30 minutes. I ain't even... Listen. We didn't get 30 minutes of sleep. So, yeah. So, we headed to the airport. It's been real, Denver. It's been fun, Denver. Denver showed me a good time. So, we finna hurry up and try to get this car and stuff back and get to the airport.